Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In my today's video, I'm going to show you instant glow face serum using a fresh fruit. I am using a muskmelon which is packed with vitamin A, which helps with cell production, and also vitamin C that helps in the formation of collagen and fight free radicals. This research shows that the antioxidant which is present in the muskmelon improve sun damaged skin and also rejuvenates your skin. It helps to hydrate your skin because of the water content the muskmelon has. So if you don't have muskmelon, you can also use the juice of a tomato. To make this glow serum, first I have to use the pulp of the fruit. For this I am using the center portion of the fruit because it is thick, concentrated, juicy and pulpy. You can also grind the fruit, strain it and use the juice of the fruit to make the serum. You can also use a tomato juice and follow the same method. The grains or the seeds of this fruit can be dried and powdered and used as an exfoliator or a scrub to reveal smooth and glowing skin. The next ingredient is 1 tablespoon of milk, which is thick and creamy. For this I'll be adding a pinch of turmeric to give that glowing effect on the skin. So I am going to mix it thoroughly and let it set for at least 5 minutes before I use it in the serum. After 5 minutes, I'm going to strain it so that I remove the grains of the turmeric, whatever is remaining, and I'll also strain the juice of the muskmelon into the same milk and turmeric juice. Once I strain everything, I will be getting 2 tablespoons of this instant glow serum, which contains all natural ingredients. And to apply it on the face, I am using this sheet mask. This is the compressed sheet masks which I have purchased online. If you want to know where, I will leave the link in the description box. So this is how the single piece of the sheet masks look, and this looks like a tablet. And if you don't have this, you can also use the DIY sheet mask which I have shown it to you in an earlier video. I will leave the link in the description box. I will drop a tablet of this sheet mask into the bowl, and this will immediately soak up all the serum into itself and becomes enlarged. Once it is enlarged, this will be ready to be used. This will take just few seconds and this sheet mask is ready to be applied on your face. If you don't have this sheet mask, you can also use a tablespoon of oatmeal, mix it in the serum, make a paste, apply it on your face, and you can remove it after 10 to 20 minutes. So using this sheet mask will give you that instant glow which you are looking for. So once I open this will reveal eye openings for eyes, nose and mouth. You can place it on your face accordingly. Keep it for 10 to 20 minutes and remove it, and then wash off with plain water. So if you do this daily, this is how your skin looks. It will give you that shine and glow which you are looking for. So if you want to know more such DIYs, please subscribe, like, share and